Good afternoon, Miss Annie. Thank you for your inquiry on the all-new 2020 Hyundai Kona. As you can see, we have one here on the showroom floor. Let me take you through this beautiful vehicle real quick. We're going to have our cascading Hyundai grille with our beautiful Hyundai emblem in it. Wrap-around LED daytime running lights, LED headlights. We're going to have very sporty alloy wheels with nitrogen-filled tires. You're going to get an LED turn signal, blind spot detection, and proximity key. Let's take a look on the inside. This one's going to have our premium black leather with the lime green stitching. You're going to get a touchscreen LED monitor up there with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, all sorts of different drive modes, heated seats. You're going to have your smart cruise control capabilities, your audio controls, and your safety functions. But Miss Andy, that's not the best part about our vehicles here at Tameron. The best part about us here are our warranties. 5 years, 60,000 miles. New car warranty, 10 years, 100,000 on the powertrain. We double that to 20 years, 200,000 miles. Also, 3 years, 36,000 miles service. That's going to get you your oil changes, your oil filters, your multi-point inspections, and your tire rotations, all on us for 3 years, 36,000 miles. I'll be your point of contact. Come see me. My name's Kevin. You can reach me on my cell, 205-767-3050. You're going to love the way you treated here at Tameron Hoover.